Welcome to workshop on Vedic Maths Part 3. Part 3 consists of total 15 topics distributed in 3 sessions. We have already completed first 2 sessions and today we'll start with the session 3. Session 3 consists of total 5 topics from 11 to 15. 11th topic quadratic equation. 12th topic simultaneous equations. 13th base method of multiplication of 3 numbers, 3 different cases. 14th cubes base method, 2 cases. And 15th topic square roots of more than 4-digit numbers. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel SRS Vedic Mathematics Academy. So let's start with the first topic of third session, that is topic number 11, quadratic equation. What you see here is a general format of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we are not learning what is quadratic equation, but just to solve it, or basically to find two values of x which satisfies this equation. So let's take example. Say for example, first example, x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Now, if you compare the general format here, for in this equation, a is 1, it is just x square means 1x square, b equal to pi, you can see here, and c equal to 6. Now our aim here is to find values of x which satisfy this equation. Method goes like this: take coefficient of x square, just x square means it is 1x square, multiply the constant, this is constant here, that is 6. Whatever answer you get here, that you have to find factors such that sum of these factors should be equal to coefficient of x. Like in this case, you can have factor as 6 into 1. 6 into 1 is 6. So it satisfies this, but 6 plus 1 is 7. So it does not match with that. So it's very clear that for matching here sum of factors equal to coefficient of x, you have to take factors as 2 and 3. This you cannot use. Correct factors are 2 and 3. So I'll repeat, take the coefficient of x square, multiply the constant, whatever answer you get, you have to find factors such that sum of the factors equal to coefficient of x. Next, take the coefficient of x square, colon, first factor which you have found here, that is 2. Again, take coefficient of x square, that is 1, and second factor. With this, you are ready to get the answer for values of x. So what you have to do is x equal to, just take this number here, negate and write -2, or x equal to, take this number, negate and write. So this is a solution of this quadratic equation, x equal to -2 or x equal to -3. So if you put these values in this equation, it will satisfy this equation. That means we will come this value of this as 0. So let's try a second example. X square plus 7x plus 12. So take the coefficient of x square, just x square means it is 1x square, multiplied the constant, that is 12 here. Whatever answer you get, you have to find factors such that sum of the factors equal to 7. And that is very clear. The factors here, it should be 3 and 4. 3 into 4 is 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So it satisfies this. Take the coefficient of x square, that is 1. First factor, that is 3. Take the coefficient of x square again, that is 1. And second factor. With this, we are ready to answer. So as long as this is 1, just take this, negate, and that is the value of x. X equal to -3 or x equal to -1. So let's try more examples. Third example. x square minus 10x plus 21 equal to 0. Take coefficient of x square, that is 1, multiply with the constant, that is 21 here, gives you 21. Find factors of 21 such that sum of these factors should be minus 10. Coefficient of x here is minus 10. So now product has to be positive and sum has to be negative. So it's very clear that both these factors has to be negative, because minus into minus will give you plus. So just find out which factor gives you 10, and that is very clear, 3 and 7. 3 and 7, but 3 plus 7 is 10, whereas we want minus 10. So both should be negative. Okay, so when only coefficient of x here is negative, both factors here will be negative, because minus minus this will come plus. So take the coefficient of x square, that is 1 colon minus 3. Take the coefficient of x square again colon second factor minus 7. So x equal to, negate this and right. So negative, so negative negative becomes positive, or x equal to 7. Next example, x square minus 10x minus 24 equal to 0. So coefficient of x square is 1. Now here constant is minus 24. So 1 into minus 24 is minus 24. Now you have to find factors of minus 24 such that sum is equal to minus 10. Now product here should be minus negative. So it is very clear that one number here should be negative, one should be positive. And because sum is negative here, higher factor, bigger factor should be negative. Now here if you just consider 12 and 2, 12 into 2 is 24, but we want minus 24, so one of this should be negative, and because we want final answer of addition of the factors negative, bigger number should be negative. Now check, minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10, and minus 12 into 2 is minus 20. So take the coefficient of x square colon first factor, that is 12 here. Take the coefficient of x square 1 and second factor. So negate an answer. So x equal to plus 12. This is negative. So answer here is plus 12, or x equal to, or x equal to minus 2. Plus 12 or minus 2. So let's try some. So far, if you just see here, we have taken x square coefficient as 1. Just x square means 1x square. Now let's see what happens, how to deal it with if it is other than 1. For example, 2x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. So take the coefficient of x square, that is 2, multiply the constant, that is 3, gives you 6. Find factors of this such that sum of the factors equal to 5, that we already know. 2 and 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now see here, take the coefficient of x square, that is 2, colon first factor, that is 2. Again take the coefficient of x square, that is 2, colon second factor, that is 3. But we want 1 here. Earlier all example, it was automatically coming here. To make this one, divide by 2, but that you should do both sides. So here also we want 1, divide by 2, that you should do both sides. So if you simplify, this is 1 is to 1, and this 1 is to 3 by 2. Final answer, just negate and write x equal to minus 1, or x equal to minus 3 by 2. Let's take next example. 3x square minus 11x plus 10 equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is 3. Constant here is 10. Use 30. Now 30, you have to find factors such that sum of the factors equal to minus 11. So first let's consider 11, and 11 you will get only with the 5 and 6. Any other factors you will not get 11. So 5 and 6. So product should be positive and sum should be negative. So both should be negative. Minus 5 into minus 6 is plus 30. Minus 5 plus minus 6 is minus 11. Take the coefficient of x square, that is 3. First factor is minus 5. Take the coefficient of x square, that is 3 colon, second factor is minus 6. So because we want 1 here, divide by 3, and that you should do both sides. Again, we want 1 here, divide by 3, that you should do both sides. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So this remains as 5 upon 3, and this is 1, and this can be simplified. 3 into 2, 6, so minus 2. So x equal to minus, sorry, this is minus here, so it will be plus 5 by 3. This is negative, so answer here x is 5 by 3, or x equal to 2. So this is negative, so here it is positive. So x equal to 5 by 3 or x equal to 2. That is the answer of this. Let's take one more last example. 6x square minus 7x minus 10 equal to 0. So coefficient of x square is 6. Constant is minus 10. So 6 into minus 10 is minus 60. Okay? And minus 60, so to split such that sum is equal to minus 7. So because product is negative, one number has to be one factor should be negative, one should be positive, and bigger factor should be negative because you want answer negative. And to get this, you can go for 12 into 5. 12 into 5 is 60, but we want negative here, and some answer should be negative, so bigger factor should be negative. Minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7. Any other factor, if you take 20 into 3 or 15 into 4, all that will not satisfy this. Okay, so only correct factors are minus 12 and 5. Minus 12 into 5 is minus 60. Minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7. So take the coefficient of x square, that is 6, first factor, colon first factor. Take the coefficient of x square again, colon second factor. So this you divide by 6 both sides to make this 1. So here also divide by 6 both sides. So this is 1, and this is 6 into 2 is 12. So minus 2 is 1, and this remains as 5 by 6. So x equal to 2, negate an answer, or x equal to minus 5 by 6. So that completes our first topic under session 3, quadratic equations. So try more examples yourself. We'll go to the next topic, topic number 12, and that is simultaneous equation or simultaneous linear equation. Two equations will be given with two variables. We want to find values of both variables which satisfies both equations. For example, x plus 2y equal to 8. And second equation, 3x plus y equal to 9. So there are two equations, x and y are the variables. We want to find values of x and y which satisfies both equations. So method goes like this. You have to take this coefficient of y as a center point to find value of x. We want first find value of x, take coefficient of y as a center point and multiply like this. 2 into 9, cross like this. 2 into 9 minus this 8 into coefficient of y here, just y means 1. 2 into 9, 8 into 1. Just y means it is 1y. And this you have to divide by, start from the same. That's why we call it a center point here. 2 into 3, 2 into 3 minus, this is 1 into 1. Okay, so cross multiply like this. 2 into 9, that is here, minus 8 into 1. Upon, start from the same point, 2 into 3 minus 1 into 1. And just simplify this. So this is 18, this is 8 upon 6 minus 1. That is, this is 10, this is 5, 10 divided by 2. Sorry, 10 divided by 5 is 2. 5 into 2 is 10. So now if you want to calculate value of y, then take this as a center point and multiply this into this minus this upon this minus this. But instead of that, once you get the value of x, easier way will be take any one equation and substitute value of x here to get value of y. So we'll take the first equation, x plus 2y equal to 8. Substitute x equal to 2. That is what we have calculated. X is 2 plus 2y equal to 8. So 2y equal to 8 minus 2. So 2y equal to 6. Divide both side by 2. So y equal to 2 into 3 is 6. So 3. The final answer is x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. X equal to 2, y equal to 3. This is a solution of this. If you just put these values, both equations will satisfy. Okay. So here I showed all steps. You need not go for all steps. You can write within one step the answer. Let's go through next example. X plus y equal to 1, and second 2x plus 3y equal to 4. X plus y equal to 1, 2x plus 3y. So here this we have to take the coefficient of x as center point. Just write here 1 because just y means 1y, so it becomes simple to write the equation here or write the expression for value of x. 1 into 4 minus 1 into 3 upon, start from the same point like this. This 1 into 2 minus 1 into 3. To simplify, 4 minus 3 upon, this is 2 minus 3. This is 1, this is minus 1. So it becomes minus 1. 1 upon minus 1. Final answer is minus 1. So x is minus 1. Take any one value equation. X plus y equal to 1. Substitute value of x as minus 1. Minus 1 plus y equal to 1. So y equal to 1 plus 1. When you take this side, 1 positive. Y equal to 2. So final solution is x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 2. So this is a solution. X equal to minus 1, y equal to 2. Let's go for next example. Two x plus y equal to 5. 2x plus y equal to 5. And second equation, 3x minus 4y equal to 2. Now here you should note that coefficient of y here is minus 4. Okay, so it is like 3x plus minus 4. Coefficient is minus 4. So take the coefficient. So this I'll put as a 1 so that one easy to write the expression. 1 into 2 minus 5 into minus 4. So coefficient of 5 here is minus 4. Upon, start from the same point, 1 into 3 minus 2 into minus 4. 2 into minus 4. Okay. 1 into 3, 2 into minus 4. So simplify that. 2 minus minus plus 5 into 4 is 20 upon 3 and minus minus plus and 2 into 4 is 8. So this is 22, this is 11. So 11 into 2 is 22. So answer is 2. X equal to 2. Now take any one equation. 2x plus y equal to 5. Value of x is 2. 2 into 2 plus y equal to 5. So y equal to 5 minus this 4. When you take this side, you have minus. So y equal to 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. The final answer, x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. 2, 1. Let's take one more example. 2x minus y equal to 10. And 3x plus 2y equal to 29. Now here this equation, instead of this, I'll write like this. 2x plus minus 1y, so that it becomes easy to work with. And this is 3x plus 2y equal to 29. So x equal to, this is center point now here, minus 1, minus 1 bracket into 29 minus 10 into 2. 10 into 2 upon, again start from the same point, minus 1 into 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2 into 2. 2. So simplify, this is minus 29, minus 1 into 29 is minus 29, minus this is minus 20 upon, this is minus 3 and minus 4. So minus 49 upon minus 7. So minus minus is plus. 7 sevens are 49. So answer is 7. Minus minus is plus, and 7 sevens are 49. So x is equal to 7. Now take any one equation. So let's take first equation. 2x minus y equal to 10. X is 7. 2 into 7 minus y equal to 10. Minus y is a 14. When you take that side, even minus 14. 10 minus 14 minus y equal to minus 4. 10 minus 14 minus 4. So y equal to 4. Minus minus cancel. So final answer, x equal to 7 and y equal to 4. Okay. So next we'll try to learn something more about simultaneous equation. Just go through this note. If ratio of constants is equal to ratio of coefficient of y or x, then value of x or y is 0. So let's just read only first part. This is or actually here. If ratio of constant is equal to ratio of coefficient of y, then value of x equal to 0. Okay, so ratio of constant is matching with the ratio of coefficient of y, then x is 0 and vice versa. Let's try directly with the example. So x plus 2y equal to 5. And second equation, 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Now you see the ratio. Ratio of coefficient of y here is 2 is to 4, and if you see the ratio of constant, 5 is to 10. So it is 1 is to 2. Both ratios becomes 1 is to 2. So ratio of constants here and this ratio of coefficient of y is same. So x here is 0. So directly you can write x0. If you calculate and check, it will be 0. Okay. So without calculating, without doing that, you can directly write x equal to 0. If you check by substituting, it will be 0. Okay. So you can see here 2 into 10, 20, 5 into 4, again 20. 20 minus 20 numerator will be 0. So answer is 0. But you don't require to do it. Just check this and the other variable is 0. So now substitute here. Let's take this equation x plus 2y. Actually, you can write direct answer, but I'll just write it systematic. 0 plus 2y equal to 5. So 2y equal to 5. Divide both sides by 2. So y equal to 5 by 2. Which you can, once this is 0, it is just y equal to 5 divided by 2. So final answer is x equal to 0 and y equal to 5 by 2. So actually here you can just type, once you know that these ratios are set, x equal to 0. So this is 0, y equal to, just cross this upon 2, 5 upon 2. Let's try one more example under this. 2x plus y equal to 3 and 8x plus 7y equal to 12. Now see here, 3 is to 12. 3 fours are 12, 1 is to 4. And if you take the coefficient of x, 2 is to 8. Again, 2 fours are 8. So 1 is to 4. So both ratios are same, ratio of constants and ratio of coefficient of x. So here y is equal to 0. Other variable is 0. So you have to calculate x by substituting the value of y, that is 0. I'm taking this equation, 2x plus y is 0 equal to 3. So 2x equal to 3. Divide both sides by 2. X equal to 3 by 2. So final answer, x equal to 3 by 2 and y equal to 0. Okay. So that completes our 12th topic, simultaneous equation. Let's go to the next topic, topic number 13. That is Bayes method of multiplication. Three numbers, three cases. There are three cases. So Bayes method of multiplication we have studied earlier in part 2. Here that was for two numbers. Now here we are continuing for extending it for three numbers. And there are three cases. So case 1 here will be all numbers, all three numbers. There are three numbers. All three numbers are greater than Bayes. Okay. So for example, you can consider 103 multiplied by 105 multiplied by 102. Now if you just see this, all three numbers are near to 100 and above 100, above base. Okay. So I'll just write here general formula. Say if you consider these numbers are A, B, and C. This is a specific example. Let's take A, B, C. And difference as D1. You have to find difference here, D2 and D3. Then we can write the answer like this. A plus difference of other two, D2 plus D3. So that is the first part. There are three parts. Second part, you have to just multiply differences two at a time. D1 multiplied by D2 plus D1 multiplied by D3 plus D2 multiplied by D3. That is middle part. And last part here is just multiply all differences. D1 multiplied by D2 multiplied by D3. So we just do this. So let's find difference first. Difference finding for above base is very simple. Just ignore this one, gives you difference. This is 3, this is 5, and this is 2. It just remove one, gives you difference. So as per this, take the first number 103 plus difference of other two, 5 plus 2. 103 plus 5 plus 2. Next, 3 into 5 plus 3 into 2 plus 5 into 2. So that is the part. And next part is just multiply all three differences, 3 into 5 into 2. So let's simplify. 103 plus 5 is 108 plus 2 is 110. So left hand side is 110. Then this 3 into 5 is 15 plus this is 3 into 2 is 6 plus this is 10. So 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 carry 1, this is 31. So middle is 31 and this is 3 into 5, 15 into 2, 30. Now as we know the base method, there are condition here that this part here should be 2 digit, this part should be 2 digit. You know that if there is less digit, you have to put zeros, extra digit, you have to take it to the left. So now here you are getting matching. Base here is 100 for this problem and you got 2 digit, 2 digit. That's correct. Just join 1 1 0 3 1 3 0 is the answer. 1 1 0 3 1 3 0 is the answer of this multiplication of these three numbers. Let's try another example. So we are on case 1 where all three numbers are above base. So next example 104 multiplied by 107 multiplied by 103. Base is 100. Difference is very simple. Just remove 1, gives you difference. So first part 104 plus this 7 plus this 3. 104 plus 7 plus 3. That is the first part. Then multiply all combination. 4 into 7 is 28 plus 4 into 3 is 12 plus 3 into 7 into 3 is 20. Next 4 into 7 28, 28 into 3, 28 into 3, 3 8 are 24, 4 carry 2, 3 to the 6 plus 2 8, 84. So this is 84. This will be okay. First we'll complete this. 104 plus 7 is 11. So plus 3 114. 114. This is 10 plus 1 11. 1 carry 1. 5 plus 1 6, 61. This is 86. Again you are getting matching digits, 2 digit, 2 digit, base is 100, so it is correct. So just join 114 6186. 114 618. Sorry, this is 84. This is 84. I wrote 86 there. So this is 84. 28 into 3 is 84. I have calculated here, but I wrote a wrong here. So just note that it is 84. So final answer 1146184. So this was this was case 1. I just wrote that case. So case 1. Now we'll go for case 2. So case 1 was both above, not both, all three digits numbers which you are multiplying were above base. Now we'll take case 2. Case 2 is less than base, meaning all three numbers are less than base. For example, let's take this. 98 multiplied by 96 multiplied by 93. All three numbers are less than 100 and near to 100. So steps remain same. Only here difference will be negative because you are subtracting 98 minus 100, subtracting bigger number. So it is minus 2. So here it's very simple. Otherwise, you can just use all from 9, last from 10 to get the difference. This is minus 4 and this is minus 7. So same steps, you follow the same steps which are written here. So take that 98 and add the differences. So now because my negative difference is effectively subtraction, minus 4 minus 7. So it's actually 98 plus minus 4 plus minus 7, plus into minus is minus, so directly I wrote that minus. Then here minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 8. Next minus 2 into minus 7 is plus 14. Last 4 into 7 is 28. So 8 plus, okay, that will add here. Can do like this, 4 into 7, or 7 into 4 is 28, 28 into 2 is 56. So here it is 56. But very important part is this is minus, minus, minus. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. So this will be negative. So I'll write bar 5, bar 6. And here 98 minus 4 is 94. 94 minus 7 will be 87. This is 87. This part here is 8 plus 4, 12 plus 8, 20. So 0 carry 2. 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 5. This is 50. And this is bar 5, bar 6. We have got two digit. That's correct. Base is 100. So there should be two digits only here and here. So just join 8, 7, 5, 0, bar 5, bar 6. Now you can put 0 also as negative because it does not make a difference, because now you got a continuous negative digit. So you reduce this by 1 and go for all from 9, last from 10. 8, 7, reduce this by 1, 4. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. And last from 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 8, 7, 4, 9, 4, 4. So same steps, only difference here will be all difference is negative, and very important is this part here will be negative. So when case 2 less than base, all three numbers less than base, this will be positive and this will be negative. Let's take one more example under this category. Case 2. Ninety-three multiplied by 94 multiplied by 95. So all three are less than 100 and near to 100. Difference, this is minus 7, this is minus 6, and this is minus 5. 93 plus minus 6 and minus 6 minus 5. Next, minus 7 into minus 6. 7 into 6 is 42. So plus 42 minus minus plus plus minus 7 into minus 5 is 35 plus 35 minus minus plus, and minus 6 into minus 5 is plus 30. Then 7 into 6 is 42. 42 into 5. This is 10, 0, carry 1, 20 plus 1, 21. 2, 1, 0. Now, very important part, it is negative. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus. So, I'll just put dash on all the three digits. So, here 93 minus 6 is 87, minus 5. 87 minus 5 is 82. This will be 82. This is 2 plus 5, 7. And this is 4 plus 3 7 plus 3 10 107 bar 2 bar 0. Now base is 100, so there should be only two digits. So this will add here, minus 2 will add here, giving you this as 105. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, out of this is extra that you have to add here. So this will be 83. So final answer 8305, and this is minus 1 and 0. So now this 0, it does not make a difference minus or plus. So 830, this 5 will reduce to 4 and 1 complement is 9. This 0 will remains as it is. So for 0 plus minus does not make a difference. If 0, 1 negative, take complement, reduce 1. So I just did from left to right. So normally we have this 830490. So that was case 2, and now we'll go for case 3. Case 3. So some numbers will be less than base, some numbers will be greater than base. Okay. So case 3 is combination. Some out of 3 numbers, maybe 1 or 2 is less than the base, 1 or 2 are greater than base. So let's take directly example. 97 multiplied by 102 multiplied by 96. Now you see here, two numbers are less than the base and one number is greater than base. Steps remain same. You should be very careful about that. Minus. This is minus 3, 97 minus 100 is minus 6. This is plus 2, and this is minus 4. Same steps. So take this number 97 plus 2, and this is minus 4. Then minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Plus minus 3 into minus 4 is plus 12. And last 2 into minus 4 is minus 8 plus minus. Next, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 into minus 4 is plus 24. This will be positive. So when there are two negative numbers, this will be positive, but minus minus is plus. Whereas here, minus 6 plus, sorry, minus 6 minus 8 is minus 14 plus 12 is minus 2. This is 99, 97 plus 2 is 99, minus 4 is 95. So this is 95. This is minus 2, that you'll have to write bar 2 here, and then 0 because there should be 2 digit. And this is 24. So 950 bar 2, 24. So 4, 2, this is negative, take complement, reduce 1, this is minus 1, complement is 9, reduce 1, this is 4. 949824. Okay. So here, because there are two numbers less than base, this will be positive. Note that there are no changes in the steps. Steps remain same, whether it is case 1, case 2, or case 3. Let's take one more example here. 102 multiplied by 103 multiplied by 94. So we have taken now two numbers above base. First example, we have taken two numbers less than base. Here it is different. Two numbers are above base and one number is less than base. So difference here is 2, here it is 3, and here it is minus 6. So first number 102 plus 3 minus 6. Then 2 into 3 is plus 6, plus 2 into minus 6 is minus 12, and plus 3 into minus 6 is minus 8. And here, 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into minus 6 is minus 36. So write it like this. So 102 plus 3 is 105, minus 6 is 99. Here this is minus 30, plus 6 is minus 24. So I write it 2 bar, 4 bar, and 3 bar, 6 bar. So 2 digits here, base is 100, so it is correct. So just join 9 bar 2 bar 4 bar 3 bar 6. So continuous negative digit, just reduce this by 1 and go for all from 9, last from 10. So final answer is 9, 8. This will reduce by 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. And last from 10, 10 minus 6 is 4. 9, 8, 7, 5, 6, 4. So you've taken all three cases and two examples. Try number of examples yourself. So that completes 13 topic. Now we'll go topic number 14, which is just extension or application of this cubes base method, two cases. Okay. So this is what we had written general formula for multiplying three numbers, base method of multiplying three numbers. Now because it is square here, okay, because it is square, all three numbers will remain same. Just 1 minute, and some problem with the pen. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so when it is cube, all three numbers are same. So a difference is d. So a plus d, then next is d into d plus d into d plus d into d. And next third part here is you are just multiplying all the three differences. Here the same difference d into d. So that we can make it a simple formula for cube of any number which is near to the base. Base method we should use always when number is near to the base. So a plus 2d, okay, just d plus d is 2d, and this is d into d is d square, and that is 3 times, so 3d square, and this is d cube. So general formula with which you can find cubes of number near to the base. The only requirement here, number should be near to the base, then only this method will be effective. So let's take case 1, and case 1 is above base. Number which you are finding cube is above base. For example, 103 cube. So just follow this. A is 103 plus 2 into difference. Difference here is 3. 103 minus 100 is 3. So into 3. Next, 3 into d square. D here is 3. And then last part d cube. Difference is 3. 3 cube. So 103 plus 2 into 3 is 6. So 109. This is 3 square is 9. 3 into 9 is 27. And here 3 cube is 27. Base is 100. Base method always you should check. Here there should be 2 digit, here 2 digits. So it's coming correct. So just join. So answer is 1092727. Next example, 107 cubes. Number is 107 plus 2 into difference. 107 minus 100 is 7. So difference is 7. Then 3 into difference square. Difference is 7. So 7 square. And the third part is difference cube. Difference is 7. 7 cube. So 107 plus 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. So 1 to 1. First part. Then 7 square is 49. 49 into 3. 3 nines are 27. 7 carry 2. 3 fours are 12. Plus 2 is 14. 147. And 7 cube is 343. Now base is 100. For 107 base is 100. So this is extra that you'll have to add here. So that will give you 150. 7 plus this 10. And then this is 3 digits. So this is again extra that you'll have to add here. Give you 122. This is 122. This is 50 and this is 43. So answer is 1225043. 1225043. Let's try one more example. Case 1. 1008 square. Sorry, cube, not square. 1008 cube. So here base is 1000. So there should be 3 digits here, 3 digits here. 1008 plus 2 into difference. 1008 minus 1000 is 8 into 8. Next 3. Difference is 8. 3, 8 square. And then 8 cube, difference cube. Let's simplify. 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. So left hand side here is 1024. 8 square is 64. 64 into 3. 3 fours are 12. So 2 carry 1. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 192. And here 8 cube is 512. Okay. So now that base is 1000 here, you are getting required a 3 digit here, 3 digit here. Just join 102419251. Okay, 102419251. So now let's go for case 2. Case 2 is less than the base. Number is less than base, near to the base, but less than base. So what we just done is above is now we take less than the base. Let's take first example as 98 cube. Same steps, only difference here will be negative. So A, that is 98 number, plus 2 into minus 2. 98 minus 100, it is 2 less, minus 2. Next 3 into minus 2 square. Next minus 2 cube. So 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. So 98 minus 4 is 94 here. This is minus 2 square. Square is always positive. 4. 4 into 3 is 12. And here cube. The cube of negative number is always negative. 2 into 3 is 8. And because the minus, it is bar 8. And there you have to put 0 here because base is 100. 100 should have 2 digits. So answer is 94 1, 2, 0, bar 8. So let's put bar for 0 also, and then it becomes very easy. 9, 4, 1. This 2 will become 1. 9 minus 0 is 9. And last from 10. 9, 4, 1, 1, 9, 2. And next example is 94 cube. 94 plus 94 minus 100 is minus 6. 2 into minus 6. Next is 3 into minus 6 square, and then minus 6 cube. So this is 2 into minus 6 is minus 12. So this is 82. Minus 6 square is 36. 36 into 3 is 108. 36 into 3 is 108. And this is 6 cube is 216, but because it's negative number, cube is negative, so minus 2 minus 1 minus. So this 2 here is extra because base is 100, 94 is near to 100. So minus 2 will have to add here. This will give 106. This one is extra, that will have to add here 83. So 8306 minus 1 minus 6. So 8306 will become 5, and all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 1 is 8, and last from 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 830584. So like this, you can find cube of any number. You have to practice number of examples here. Then pause anytime and just try yourself. We'll take one more example. 996 cube. 996 is the number, plus 2 into minus 4. 996 is 4 less. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. Last from 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Next, 3 into minus 4 square, and then minus 4 cube. Difference cube. So this is 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. 996 minus 8 is 988. The first part is 988. This is minus 4 square is 16. 16 into 3 is 48. And this one, 4 cube is 64, but we'll have to write minus 6. Cube of negative digit is always negative. So here we have to put 0 because base here is 1000. So both this should be 3 digit because base here is 1000. 988048 06 bar 4 bar. So we'll just put bar for this, and then when simple 98804 7, and then all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3, and last from 10. 8988047 936. So like this, you can calculate cube of any number if it is near to the base. Okay, base method always we use when number is near to the base. It can be any big number, but as long as it is near to the base, you can do calculation very easily just by using this form. So that completes our 14th topic. Let's go to the 15th and the last topic of session 3. Square roots of more than 4-digit number. Basically, we are trying to find out square root of 3-digit number, means answer will be 3 digit. number will be either 5 digit or 6 digit. You consider square of any 3 digit, answer will be either 5 digit or 6 digit. So numbers what we'll be taking will be either 5 digit or 6 digit. Let's take first example, 386884. 386884. Okay. So just for information, actually square root symbol is like this. And just write this number inside this symbol, but we will just take the number as it is and find square root of this. And this you already know that it will be 3 digit. Square of any 2 digit number will be maximum 4 digit. Okay. Square of any 3 digit will be either 5 digit or 6 digit, as you can see here. Okay. For square root you have two options or two answers, so dash 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 or dash dash dash. So make groups of two from right, middle group, and first group. Based on the last seed, we decide last seed of cube root. 4 square root of 4 is 2. Other option is complement. Based on this first group here, we decide the first digit. So 38 is between 6 square, that is 36, and 7 square, that is 49. 38 is between 36 and 49. Lower side square root is 6. So only middle digit is left. To calculate middle digit, what you have to do is take these first two groups, that is 3, 8 and 6, 8, and take square of this first digit and subtract from the first group, that is only from this, that is. Only from this you have to subtract, so 32 minus, sorry, 8 minus 6 is 2. This is 0. And then take the other two digit. Now, this number you have to divide like this. Take this number first digit again and double it. Double of 6 is 12. And now you have to find out which number here, same number if you multiply, will give the answer near to this but less than this. If you put 1 here, here also it should be 1. 1 to 1 into 1 is 1 to 1, which is very far or very less compared with this. If you use 2 here, 1 to 2 into 2 will be 244. That is quite near. 244 is quite near to 268. So if you go for 3, definitely it will cross this. You have to find the number such that this answer here is near to this but less than this. So with that, it's very clear that middle digit is 2. So now we have got two answers. One of this is correct, that you can define using digit sum. So calculate digit sum of this. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 is 1 plus 0 is 1. Calculate digit sum of this. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 means 1 plus 6, 7. Then take the squares of that digit sum. 1 square is 1. 7 square is 49. And then find digit sum of this. Digit sum of 1 is 1. 49 is 9 cancel, so 4. Now we'll have to find out which digit sum matches with this number here. So 38684. 3, 6 and 3 gets cancelled. You cannot cancel anything else. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 means 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 means 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 means 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, otherwise you add all. 8 into 8. 8 plus 8 plus is 24. 20 plus 4 is 28. 28 means 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 means 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, so at any time, two digit you can convert to single digit by just adding. Other way, just add all digits. The answer is 1 here, 1 matches here, and that's why answer of this is 622. 622. Square root of this 386884 is 622. Second example here is 7, 8, 6, 7, 6, 9. So make groups. This is the middle group and first group. Except if it is 5 or 0 here, you have only one answer. Otherwise, you have got two answers, dash, 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 or dash, dash, dash. Based on the last digit, we define the last digit of square root. 9, square root of 9 is 3, complement of 3 is 7. Based on the first group here, we define what is the first digit. 78 is between 8 square, that is 64, and 9 square, that is 81. 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81. So this is in between. So lower side square root, that is 8, should be the first digit. So now you have to get a middle digit. For that, we said that you take first two groups, 78 and 67, and subtract square of this from the first group. 8 square is 64. So if you subtract this from first group, this is 8 minus 4 is 4, 7 minus 6 is 1, and then continue or write other two digits, other group digits. And now, as you know, you have to find, sorry, first take double of 8, double of 8 is 16, and you have to find number here such that when you multiply it with the same number here, you get the answer near to this but less than this. So this you'll have to do by trial and error. So let's take 7 here. And if you go for 7, 7 sevens are 49, carry 4. 7 6 are 42 plus 4 is 46. 46 means 4 carry. 7 ones are 7 plus 4 is 11. So 1169 is definitely not near. It is quite far. It is much less. So let's try with the 8. 8 here. 8 here. So this is not the correct answer. 8 into 8 is 64. 4 carry 6. 8 6 are 48 plus 6 is 54. So 4 carry 5. 8 ones are 8 plus 5 is 13. And now it's very clear that this is the nearest less than this. Next 9 it will cross this if you just see the figures here. So correct digit in the middle is 8. Now to find which is correct, you have to make use of digit sum. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. Means it is 1. Okay. So otherwise we can do like this. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 means 7. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 means 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 7 is 23. 2 plus 3, 5. Then take square of it. 1 square is 1. 5 square is 25. And then take digit sum. Digit sum of 1 is 1 and 25 is 7. Now let's take what is the digit sum of this. 7, 8, 6, 7, 6, 9. Only 9 is cancelled here. The rest all will be add. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 means 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 means 3. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 means 1. And 1 plus 6 is 7. So it matches with this. And that's why the answer is 887. The answer of this is 887. Let's try next example. 103041 dash 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 or dash 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 3 digits answer. Make groups, last rightmost group, middle, and first. Based on the last digit here, we determine the last digit of square root 1. Square root of 1 is 1, complement of 1 is 9. And based on this, we define what is the first digit. 10 is between 3 square and 4 square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So it is between 9 and 16, so lower side is 3. Only now middle digit you have to find. For that we said you take the first two parts of this number and take the square of first digit and subtract from the first part, only from the first part. So 10 minus 9 is 1. So here it is 130, and that you have to divide by double of this. Double of 3 is 6. So question is what number you get here, which same number we have to, same digit you have to multiply to get the answer near to this but less than this. If you put 1, then it is 61 into 61 is 61, which is not near. But if you put 2, it's very clear. 62 into 2 is 124. Okay, so 124 is very near and less than this. So correct digit at the middle position is 2. Now we have to find out which is correct out of the two. For that, first find digit sum. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. And here 9 is cancelled. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then take square of it. 6 square is 36. 5 square is 25. Then take digit sum. Digit sum of 36 is 9. And this is 7. Now we have to check the digit sum of this. It's a very small, simple number. So calculate directly here. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 9 here. So answer is 3, 2, 1. So first three example what we have taken here was with the 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So square of any 3-digit number we said will be either 6-digit or 5-digit. So next example, 15129. If you see here, it is just 5-digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dash, 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 or dash, dash, dash. 9, square root of 9 is 3. Complement of 3 is 7. Make groups. First group is just single digit. So based on this, we define what is the first digit. It is between 1 square and 2 square. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Lower side square root we take, so 1. Now take first two groups and subtract square of the first digit from the first part. That is only from this part. So that becomes 0. So what remains is 51. Now what you will do is take the double of this number, that is 2, and find out which digit you have to write here. With the same digit you have to multiply. That will give you a number near to this but less than this. If you put 1, 21 into 1 is 21, which is not near. But if you take 2, 22 into 2 is 44, which is very near. So again, it is very clear that it is 2. 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 7. Now to find out which is correct, take digit sum. This is 6. This is 2 plus 7 is 9, so 1. Then take square. 6 square is 36. And that digit sum is 9. 1 square is 1. Digit sum of that is 1. Now here 9 gets cancelled. So 1 plus 5, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9. So digit sum of this is 9. It's matching with this. So answer is 1, 2, 3. Next, say this number 4, 5, 7, 9, 6. Again 5 digit. So groups will be last group, middle group, and first group is just single digit. Dash, 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 or dash, dash, dash. 6. So this is not a perfect square. 1, 4, or 9 we take square root. Here you take same and complement. Complement of 6 is 4. Based on this first group, that is between 2 square and 3 square. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So the lower side is 2. Okay. So now we have to find the middle digit. For that, we say that take first two groups, 4 and 5, 7, and subtract square of this first digit from the first group. So that will give you 0. So what remains is just 57. Now you have to take this and double that, and then find the digit with which you same digit you multiply to get the number near to this and less than this. It's very clear that it should be 1. 41 into 1 is 41. It's quite near, because if you go for 2, 42 into 2, it will cross this. So middle digit here is 1. Now to decide which is correct, you have to use digit sum. 2 plus 1 plus 6 is 9. This is 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4, 7. Then you take square. 9 square is 81. 7 square is 49. This digit sum of 81 is 9. And this is 4. 9 gets cancelled 4. Now let's find out digit sum of this. 4 and 5 gets cancelled. 9 gets cancelled. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 is 1 plus 3 is 4. So it matches here. So answer is 214. 214 is the answer. Let's see one more example. Five 9049. Again, 5 digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Groups will be formed like this in the middle, and first group is just single dash 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 or dash dash dash. 9 square root of 9 is 3, complement of 3 is 7. 5 is between 2 square, that is 4, and 3 square, that is 9. Between 4 and 9. So lower side is 2. So first digit is 2. Next, to get the middle digit, you have to take first two groups, 5 and 90, and subtract square of the first digit from the first group. 2 square is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. And then take the next group digits. And now you have to take double of this first digit, that is 4, and find the number here with which same number you multiply. You get the number very near to this. So if you go for 5 here, 5 5s are 25, 2 and 5 4s are 20. So it crosses. So let's try the 4. 4 4s are 16, 6 carry 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. It's very clear, 176 is definitely very near and less than this. So middle digit is 4. Now to find out which is correct, you have to make use of digit sum. 2 plus 4 6 plus 3 9, and here 2 plus 7 is 9, so answer of digit sum is 4. Then take square. 9 square is 81, 4 square is 16. So digit sum of 81 is 9 and 16 is 7. Now find out digit sum here. 9, sorry, 9 9 cancelled. 5 plus 4 is 9. So it matches here, and so answer is 2 4 3. So like that you can get square root of any 5 or 6 digit number, perfect squares. So try number of examples yourself and be thorough. Practice is very important. So thank you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SRS Vedic Mathematics Academy.